Welcome back to Beyond Binary, where we explore the stories shaping our technological future. Today, we're looking at something that feels straight out of science fiction, but is happening right now. India's ambitious defense transformation with artificial intelligence and quantum technologies. By 2035, India plans to become a fully tech-heavy and self-reliant force, capable of defending not just its borders, but also its cyberspace, data, and strategic influence. Let's dive into the surprising facts behind this bold vision. The first fact is about India's push for AI-driven warfare. By 2035, the Indian Armed Forces plan to integrate AI across all three services: Army, Navy, and Air Force. This means that decision-making in battle, logistics, and strategy will increasingly rely on AI-powered systems. Imagine algorithms analyzing enemy movements, predicting supply needs, and even suggesting tactical maneuvers faster than human commanders could. The goal isn't to replace humans, but to enhance them, creating a hybrid model where soldiers and AI work side by side. The second fact is about autonomous drones and robotics. India is already testing swarms of AI-powered drones capable of reconnaissance, surveillance, and even targeted strikes. By 2035, these swarms will be highly coordinated, operating like a hive mind, overwhelming enemy defenses through sheer speed and unpredictability. These drones aren't just for attack. They can also resupply frontline troops, map dangerous terrain, and evacuate the injured, making them one of the most versatile assets of future warfare. Now the third fact takes us into the unseen battlefield: cybersecurity. Warfare in 2035 will not just be about tanks and missiles. Data is the new weapon. India's defense doctrine emphasizes developing AI-based cyber shields that can detect and neutralize attacks in real time. These systems will protect critical infrastructure like power grids, satellites, and financial networks. And with AI-driven predictive algorithms, India aims to stop cyber threats before they even occur, shifting from reaction to prevention. The fourth fact is perhaps the most futuristic: quantum communication. India is investing heavily in quantum key distribution, which is essentially unhackable communication. Unlike traditional encryption, which can be cracked by powerful computers, quantum encryption is based on the laws of physics. If someone tries to intercept the message, the quantum state collapses and the intrusion is instantly detected. By 2035, India envisions a fully secure military communication network, immune to cyber espionage. This brings us to the fifth fact: quantum computing for defense simulations. Traditional supercomputers can take days or weeks to simulate complex battlefield scenarios. Quantum computers, however, could run these simulations in seconds, processing enormous amounts of variables at once. This would allow military planners to test thousands of strategies and instantly see which ones are most effective. Whether it's predicting enemy movements, optimizing supply chains, or modeling nuclear deterrence, quantum computing could give India an edge no enemy can match. Fact 6. Space warfare preparedness. With satellites controlling navigation, communication, and surveillance, outer space has become the high ground of modern warfare. India is developing AI-powered space surveillance systems that can track enemy satellites and predict possible attacks. Combined with quantum encrypted satellite networks, this would secure India's presence in space. By 2035, experts believe space could be the first frontier where India deploys fully autonomous defense systems. The seventh fact is about AI in defense manufacturing. India's goal of Atmanirbhar Bharat, or self-reliant India, isn't just about producing more weapons domestically, it's about making them smarter. AI-driven factories will produce aircraft, ships, and weapons with unprecedented efficiency, precision, and adaptability. Predictive maintenance powered by AI will ensure these machines rarely fail in the field. This combination of self-reliance and intelligence could transform India from a major arms importer into a leading exporter of next-gen defense technologies. Fact number 8. Ethical and legal frameworks for AI warfare. Unlike conventional weapons, AI introduces moral dilemmas. Should an autonomous drone have the authority to take a life without human confirmation? By 2035, India aims to establish a legal and ethical code that balances military necessity with humanitarian values. This would not only guide India's forces but could also influence international law, positioning the country as a leader in responsible AI warfare. The ninth fact is about human-AI collaboration in training. Imagine a soldier training with a virtual AI partner that adapts in real time, pushing them to improve faster. By 2035, AI-driven simulations will replace much of the traditional physical training. Soldiers will enter hyper-realistic virtual battlefields, experiencing different terrains, enemy tactics, and high-stress environments without ever leaving the training base. This fusion of human instinct with machine precision will create warriors who are both physically and cognitively enhanced. Finally, Fact 10. India's tri-service integration with AI and quantum. The future battlefield isn't just about land, air, or sea, it's about seamless coordination between them. AI will act as the brain linking the Army, Navy, and Air Force into a single network. Add quantum-secure communication and you have a military where every unit knows what the others are doing in real time, creating a defense ecosystem that is fast, adaptive, and almost impossible to outmaneuver. By 2035, India's defense won't just be measured in the number of tanks, jets, or ships it owns, it will be measured in how effectively it wields intelligence, artificial and quantum. The soldier of tomorrow will not only carry weapons but also wield data, algorithms, and the invisible power of computation. But this future comes with its challenges. Developing such systems requires enormous investment, global partnerships, and careful regulation to prevent misuse. It also raises tough questions. Will reliance on AI make wars more frequent? Can quantum tech fall into the wrong hands? And most importantly, how do we ensure technology serves peace rather than conflict? One thing is certain, India is not waiting for the future to arrive. It is building it code by code, qubit by qubit, algorithm by algorithm. And by 2035, we may be witnessing not just a stronger military, but a complete redefinition of what defense means in the digital age. The world of tomorrow won't be defended by walls or borders, but by data streams, quantum keys, and AI systems that think faster than we can. And in that future, India aims not just to survive but to lead. One thing is certain, India is not waiting for the future to arrive. It is building it, code by code, qubit by qubit, algorithm by algorithm. And by 2035 we may be witnessing not just a stronger military, but a complete redefinition of what defense means in the digital age. The world of tomorrow won't be defended by walls or borders, but by data streams, quantum keys, and AI systems that think faster than we can. And in that future, India aims not just to survive, but to lead.